Hey guys, unsay ato mga brother. Nana sa tagaron for another unboxing. So, naabot na sad na sa niabot sa atong doorstep. So, presko pa kayo. So, mo dyan itong isa sa itong mga gipanghuwat-huwat, no? So, unsay dugayan mga brother sa ato na ning ablihan. So, gamay lang itong isang atong murag opera. Kung asa ang naay problema dito ra sa dangato ang ablihan. Pero way kas nga gunting ba? Oh, di ba? Kuha dayon. Double check lang. Okay. So, nasa taron mga brother medyo baga ni card. Baga ni nga mga cards, no? Naa diri so dagan-dagan bitag unbox individually. So, kani siya again, gikan na po ni siya sa Manila. All of these cards are accumulated at least possible siguro niabot na ni siya og 2 weeks na gipa-safe keep lang nako sa collector. So kani tanan nga naa diri napdag-an ako sa auction. So kani nga for example kani nga day there are set of cards nga ipa-auction niya, then ipa-safe keep lang nimo for his next auction. To tell you honestly, kaning uban siguro ani masyak kung anong naanin ako kay eventually nakalimot na jud ang setting na paspas kay no. Mag-start na siya a few cards nga yang gipang post, then a specific time especially sa first na yang gipang post, for example mag-start ang auction at 8 for this card. So paspas na kaya daghan na kay nabubid if daghay ganahan pala nga card until nga you have to set your limit, obviously, diba? Then another card at around 8:00. I think 3 minutes lang ang iyang gap per card para dili pod ingon nga dugay ba. So after na a few minutes, next card na pod, bid na pod, dagan kay magbid. So na ang kuan. So usually depende sa collector, mag-post i-auction around 10 cards, 20 cards, 30 cards, so inana kadaghan. So grabe jud, sa akong self lang no, pwede jud ko mabian, magpa-alarm jud ko. So let's say for example mag-start at 9 PM first niya nga card auction, then I would set an alarm for around 8:56 just to be ready. So inana ka. So first, tanaw na to ang mga freebies. So we have Christian Wood nga optic. Is this a base one or a silver one? Silver hollow. Ooh, thank you for this free Clay Thompson right here. Michael Porter Jr. Nice. And Draymond Green Mosaic and Kristaps Porzingis. So out of nowhere na natay add especially ni si Clay Thompson sa atong personal collection. So nice. Buntot asa atong unahon. Okay. Okay, first card. So this one, ako lang sana siya ipalayo gamay para dili kayo sabot sa iyong mata. But kita na mga tadaan sa likod that these cards would be very, very, I tell you, very nice. Some of them are numbered, some of them are short prints. So first one is a Ja Morant Catapults. This one is a short print, not so common at all. This is a Ja Morant Catapults pink, I mind you. So this is just printed around 99. So this is a numbered card up to, I don't know if maklaro, up to 99. And this is the number 17th numbered, number 17 out of 99. Catapults Origins Ja Morant. So I hope he recovers though sa iyahang mga kabulastugan. Okay, dako jud siya future sa NBA labi na og mga signing sa contracts no. Labi jud niya ang taog opportunity. I hope na makabangon ra siya. kay para sulit ang atong collection. Next is makita niyo sa likod. This is a lights out Stephen Curry. I mind you, this is a holo, not the base one. I think I also have the base card for this one. But yep, you can see that one. So let's just wait. But I think this is the holo already of Stephen Curry. Next, we have another Stephen Curry. This one is also a very limited edition. This is a Court Kings Basketball 2023 season. Ooh. So mura siya art, no? Yung pagka-print niya. So I think it's an art actually. So this one is a numbered card. Again, out of 99 right here. So you can see it right there. Out of 99. I have the number 59 out of the 99 cards that was printed. So nice kayo, no? Right there. Grabe ka nice. In a perfect condition. Grabe ka fresh pa dyan ani. Go. Next, the pinto ni gamay is the Stephen Curry Stargazing holo. Oh, I think this one is the base because I also have a lights out right here. I think this one is the base, so ma-compare na to ang base from a holo. But this one is a Stephen Curry Stargazing holo. See the reflection of the card. This one is also a short print. So ang base ani is just plain card, not a hologram card. I think this one is the base, so let's compare. Oh, okay. You already see the difference compared to this one. So this is the base lights out, and this is the holo lights out. This one looks so beautiful. So you're probably wondering why I got a base card and a holo. Probably this one I'll get trade or probably sell this one. Stephen Curry's nowadays, same as other superstars, they sell fast. They sell like hotcakes. So I'm not worried if ever I'm gonna sell this, because this one, daghay mag-apas sa yung card. One of the most expensive cards that na nasa yung hatubangan, I think this one is first, this one is second. Right there. This is an all-star LeBron James, Luka Doncic. Right there. I have the base card is naunhan ko sa holo ani. It has a hologram sa tibuok cards niya, and this one, if I could remember right, red ang yung border, shiny red. If you could just imagine, this one is already good looking. How much more if katong holo ani. Next, okay, one of the expensive na akong na-capture. This is a Luka Reigning Threes, ladies and gentlemen, in a red parallel. And yes, this one is a numbered card. Out of 99, I have the number 62. Nice. So, kaning mga numbered cards, no? Muna siya kay pangbutang sa mag cases nako, much thicker, and you can seal it with a magnet. So muna siya kung i-preserve ayo. So excuse me, expensive cards. Let's put the expensive cards in the middle. Okay. It's okay. Next is a lights out Luka Doncic. And yes, it is a hollow lights out Luka Doncic. Nice. So same as with this one right here. Both are hollow. So probably I'll gonna scoot this one off on the side. This one is what I'm talking about. A lights out Nikola Jokic, the Joker. Nice. And again in a hollow. So, grabe ka excited na ko ani nga naghuwat-huwat din nga maabot na ni. So, if makita yun na ninyo, mga brothers, if mo na siyang itapad o display, dungano nagkawat. Dungano na ninyong display na sa inyong album. Grabe ka choy, Jud. Grabe ka nice. Amazing. So we have a stargazing Luka Doncic right here. Yep, this is a hollow also. You can see it there. Nice. And last but not the least, I also have a Reigning Threes Stephen Curry, but this one is on a base card of the Reigning Threes, because wala siya display ngayon ani, wala siya auction ngayon ani, compared to this one. So I think this one also is a base day, this one. So there you have it, guys. Matanaw lang niyo sa cards daan siguro. I think makadetermine po mo nga medyo expensive yun siya compared sa kung uban nga unboxing, no? Sa uban parallels, this numbers right here, numbered cards are skyrocket, man. I won't tell you the price, that's my rule right here. So you can search these cards right here. If curious din mo sa price, then just leave down sa comment section what do you think about them cards right here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this episode of NBA cards unboxing. So hope to see you next time. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.